Hello, I am Dr. J, and in this video I would write model letter number 7. This would be part 1 of model letter number 7. As you know, this is IELTS general training letter writing course task 1. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, press bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. As you know, I have started from overview of general training task 1, then band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, top 10 tips for letter writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, useful language for letters of complaint, inquiry, request and all of them. Then I have written more than 12 model letters in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. If you go to playlist of my channel, click this one, playlist. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see there is an essay writing course, 54 videos, grammar course, 50 videos. This is advanced grammar course, vocabulary course, 73 videos. This is our task letter for today. You have recently started work in a new company. Write a letter to an English speaking friend. In your letter, explain why you changed job. Describe your new job. Tell him or her about other news. The other news can be any other news. Describe your new job, how is your new job and why you have changed the job. So let us move. First of all, we would underline the keywords. You recently started work in a new job. Sorry, cannot do it. Underline this one, recently started new job in a company and write a letter to a friend. So remember, this is a letter to a friend. In your letter, explain why you change the job. So this is a very smart, as very small statement. So it would be very easy to underline or remember other news. So these are my keywords. After underlining keywords, I have to decide whether it is formal, informal or semi-formal letter. So I am writing to my friend and I am telling about some news about me, about my job or my new job, my last job and some other news. So it would be an informal letter. I am writing to my friend. This is an informal letter. After that, you have to decide how many pieces of information are there in the bullet points. Explain why one piece of information. Describe your new job. You can describe in one thing or more, so it is also one information, one piece of information. Tell him or her about your other news. Other news. News is news in singular form is also used as news, so it can be one or more. So after that, you have to organize your letter. See how you would organize your letter. First of all, you would start with dear friend or dear Bob, hey John, something like that. Then you would write introduction. You would write first of all some chit chat. Chit chat is as you when you call to a friend, hello, how are you, what are you doing, something like that. Then you would add some purpose. What is your main purpose? You would add it. After that, you have to write in first body paragraph, first body you have to write bullet 1, bullet point 1. In the second body you have to write bullet point 2. In the third body you have to write bullet point 3, and after that you have to write a closing sentence, then closing salutation, closing words like take care, something like that, lots of love, you would write. This is as you know, this is informal letter, so your tone or language is very important. So remember, you can write here that you have to use contraction in this letter. Contraction is very important to use. We have to use contraction. We have to write simple, use simple language, simple vocabulary, and simple sentences, simple or compound sentences. Maybe one or two complex sentences, there is no problem, but they should be easy sentences to learn for the reader and for the listener also, for the writer also. So as you know, this is a informal letter, so we would start with hey John or dear John, or Bob, something like that. You can write any imaginary name. So first of all, you would write a chit chat. How are you doing? It has, so instead of has, separate has, we can use it has. It is not it is, it has been, because we are using been here. It has been ages, so we are using contraction because it is an informal letter. It has been ages since I last wrote. It has been ages since I last wrote. Anyway, I am writing to tell you. Anyway, I am writing. So after some chit chat, now I am going to my exact purpose. What is my main purpose? Anyway, I am, so I am using contraction here. It is very good place to use contraction when you are giving your purpose. I am writing to tell you about my new job. So I am writing to tell you about my new job. This is my introduction with the chit chat plus some, anyway, chit chat plus purpose. So after that you have to start your first bullet point. Here in the first bullet point, then second, and then third. These I would write in the my next video class. So after watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters. But remember, always remember that you should take some feedback from any true IELTS expert before taking your final exam. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher preferably, to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID, this is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for more updates and any further information. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon, this one, to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.